it. You ready for more? Let's go, JD. Let's go. Come on. Top 3 skaters coming right now.
Pietro Nunes in the rep right now, Montréal.
He is a young, talented rider coming from Brazil, rolling right into a big 540. Alley-oop heel flip. Getting some body English in there. Coming over the channel right now with the Indy 540. Yeah, lots of difficulty with this run right there. Lots of burial moves. Look at that body burial right there. Look at this, more body burial action and flipping. Crazy stuff right now. 5 seconds, Pietro, what? No way! Wow. Wow, flipping with crazy body barrel action. That's gonna be time right there for Pietro Nunes.
JD Sanchez, the rep is yours.
Last year's champion, Mississauga champion. This guy could win it all right here, right now, Montreal. This could be the winning run right now. Keep him fired up, JD Sanchez. Flipping and spinning, body barrel 540. There you go. He's got a broken arm. He can only grab the board with one hand. Yeah, fast plan right there. Chris Miller used to do those big tricks. Kickflip body barrel 540. Wow. Less than 10, 720. 3, 2, one more time. Make some noise for JD Sanchez. Yeah, JD.
Yeah, JD. Oh my God, what a run, JD Sanchez.
Backwards, come down, and the board just magically sticks to your feet. He's a magician, JD.
Once again, the no grab. How does the board stays on your feet like this? It's insane.
He did another trick too, the kickflip body barrel 540. Your board is only doing a 360, but your body's doing a 540. So, and the board's coming off your feet, you're flipping it, you're grabbing it. So much going on. Crazy tongue-twisting technical things going on here. You got some more? We got the #1 ranked rider coming at you next.
Emma Kawakami.
This little guy is 11 years young. There it is, 900. He makes it look so easy. Frontside 5. Kickflip burial. Kickflip body barrel gets away from him. Makes a noise for little Emma, 11 years young. Can you imagine once he gets bigger with some more meat on his bones? Like, that kid's gonna be one of the top legends of skate. When you're that good at 11 years old, you're gonna be a legend.
Yeah,
He already is.
I can't wait to see him grow bigger, grow stronger. It's gonna be crazy.
So I was at Tony Hawk's Vert Alert last year when he did 3 900s, but never in the history of skateboarding anybody did. He was 10 years old when he did that, so he's already a legend.
For now, going back to the top of the order.
We're getting ready for round 3. 2 runs down, 2 runs to go.
All right.
We're ready. Ronnie, are you ready?
Top of the order, Ronnie Gomez.
Coming in full speed right here to a huge McTwist 540. Back to back with a backside 5. 2 different 540s right there, 2 different grabs. And this one, the Indy 540, 3 540s so far. That's what got him in the finals. 4 540s, fronts of rodeo 5. And that's all right, he's got one more run to go. Make some noise for Ronnie Gomez.
Yeah, Ronnie.
Riding for Oakley out there. Ronnie also riding for Santa Cruz.
He's in the ramp. Montréal, faites du bruit pour Collin Graham.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, that was one of the best runs Collin's ever put down in his life. Riding for Jarritos out here. Big thanks to our sponsors. Also for Embassy Skateboards. Oh, he's trying to do the 540 on the flip trick.
Don Salmonde.
Yeah, when you see someone wearing a Red Bull helmet, you know they're good. Sandro Diaz used to do a lot of 900s with that Red Bull helmet. And there you go, alley-oop heel flip. Big kickflip Indy. Tail grab 5, I love that one. Such a stylish way to do the 540. And the frontside nose grind, another style move. There you go, body burial. And the timing, the flip and the grab. He grabbed it wrong because the timing is so difficult. Smooth style in the 540s. How high he's going, look at that. How high is the backside alley? Very high. He's going so high he forgot his skateboards. Give it up for Izuru right now. Put on one of the best runs of his life earlier on.
Inomata.
Yeah, that. Big 540. These guys are pushing themselves. That's why they're falling. They're trying to go higher and farther and faster. Keep cheering them on. Maybe the magic will come together on some of these runs. And that's why we give them 4 tries.
Nunes!
All right, Pietro Nunes qualified in 3rd place. He's currently sitting in 4th. This could be the run that gets him on the podium. Big 540 backside. Huge alley-oop heel flip. Big lean grab right there. Over the channel, Indy 540. Beautiful execution on that one. Landed perfectly. That's what it's all about. Got to get those perfect landings. Keep your speed. Body barrel on the 5 right there. There's another burial. Here comes a big trick right now, crowd. Kick flip, body barrel, 540. With an extra leg burial mixed in there around the world. And that's going to be time right there. Pietro Nunes.
Yeah,
Wow, 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 wow. That's a signature trick for him, the way he does the body roll 5 and puts it behind his back. Again, like a double grab, leg burial. It's a crazy trick right now.
All right.
So he did raise his score, Pietro, but he didn't rearrange the ranking. Top 2 skaters coming up right now. Last year's champion. Are you ready?
JD Sanchez!
Starting out with a flip trick. Look at that big kickflip alley-oop mute. Taking chances right there. Flipping alley-oop over the channel. Big burial right there. Kickflip body barrel over channel. Wow, JD's doing it right now, Montreal. This could be the winning run. Kickflip body jar. Huge run right here for JD Sanchez. Oh, the burial. 540, his board would have done a 720 on that one.
All right, Montréal, du haut de ses 11 ans, Emma Kawakami.
Yeah, this could be the winning run, folks. He qualified first with a big 900. There it is. Right in the front of Rodeo 5. Kickflip burial. Kickflip body barrel 5. Over the channel. There's a 360 burial. And there's a McTwist 540. Now you with a judo air, 10 seconds. Indy 720 to Fakey. And another fall. Tough break for Emma. He had 1 second left. If he makes that run, that could be the winning run right there. On the ramp. Emma comes in really strong, but he's so small, it's hard to keep that speed. That's why JD is a lot older and a lot stronger. JD's able to keep his tricks up higher. So now Montreal, 1 run left for everybody. Mix up their leaderboard. Let's go, Ronnie.
On fait du bruit pour les athlètes. On commence en applaudissement pour Ronnie Gomez.
Ronnie still has a big run that he can put together. He's got that switch heel flip at the end to finish it off with. Can he get to it? We're going to find out right now. Indy 540. He's 33 years old, 3 times older than the last skater at 11. 33, still going. He's a veteran on the World Cup Tour for many years. Also a mega ramp rider with Bob Burnquist, going for those 20-foot 540s. Kickflip 8360 to Bakey. 5 seconds left. Oh, that was going to set him up for his big trick. One more time, make some noise for the 33-year-old veteran, Ronnie Gomez.
Le prochain à s'élancer. Un des favoris is...
Speaking of older skaters, Collin Graham is 28 years old. He's a veteran on the tour for many years. But he's putting together some of the best runs of his life. Getting better with age like a fine wine. Collin Graham, are you ready?
All right, Montréal, say Collin Graham!
Here we go. Over the Doritos gap right there with a frontside lip slide. Kickflip to Fakey. And there is a cab, heel foot, 540 Indy grab. Trying the most difficult trick of his life right there. Makes it the cab heel flip 360. He's trying to add the extra 540 in there. One more time, give it up for Collin Graham. Currently sitting on the podium in 3rd place.
How about those guys? All right.
Said that trick is so hard to do. Nobody does it. Nobody. Elliot does it on the mega ramp, which has a lot more hang time. So he'd be the only person to do it on a normal program.
C'est ça, donc le truc que Collin Graham essayait, la seule autre personne qui l'a fait, c'est Elliot Sloan, un autre bon ami à nous, mais seulement dans la meilleure rampe. All right, thumbs up from the judges. Le prochain à s'élancer, du Danemark, Victor Salmonde!
That's what I love about skateboarding. All these guys have their own signature tricks that they do. He's got a signature knee slide he just displayed for you. Give it up for him right there. Doing a 360 spin on his knee slide. That was pretty cool. Of the top 5 riders, 3 of them are from Japan. Alley-oop with a judo air. Huge 540. Biggest 540s of the weekend right there. Big air with no grab there. There you go. Over the channel body barrel. That's another body barrel around the world behind the back. Smacking the tail down in the body jar. Smacking the tail down the Madonna. A trick that Tony Hawk invented. Kicking the foot off on the 360. Faking the fakey 545. 4, 3, 2. One more time. Makes the noise. Right there. For Soya Inomata.
C'est Soya Inomata!
Wow. Huge 540. Oh. One more time. Makes the noise for putting on a great show all weekend just to get here in the finals.
Prochain Montréal, faites du bruit, c'est Pietro Nunes! Hype it up, hype it up!
Here we go. This kid is a ripper, man. Look at this. Taking so many big risks with all the flip tricks like that one. Every time that board comes off your feet, it's so difficult. Oh, Pietro. Currently.
Faites du bruit pour JD Sanchez!
He is your current leader, Montreal. Stay with him. This could be like a victory lap for him. He's already got a big run. He wants to go even higher and further. Kickflip body barrel 5. Flipping with a barrel there. Kick flipping into the Sean Penn, they call it. 10 seconds. Big flip tricks, big spin tricks. Here we go. Fakey 7. Wow. 3, 2. One more time. Let's hear for JD Sanchez.
Wow, JD! Emma Kawakami!
Here we go. He qualified first. He wants to get a big run. Come on, Montreal. Stay with this kid. Here comes the 900. Big rodeo 540. You can see the determination. He wants it. Kickflip body barrel 540. Lots of difficult tricks. Flying over the channel. 360 varial. There's another 540. 10 seconds, Emma. Montreal, stay with him. He can do it right now. Indy 720. Fakey 720. Indy. That's time. That's time for Emma. Make some noise for Emma. Wow, 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 wow.
Merci à vous, la foule. Quel week-end incroyable. Quelle température de feu. Vous êtes un public mémorable. À quel point le week-end était sensationnel et ma voix n'est plus. Quel week-end, quel public.